Hi yogis, today we're gonna open our pelvic floor, so let's get to it. So first we're gonna stand up and we're gonna place our legs wide apart with our toes looking outwards diagonally, and we're gonna stretch the knees and we're gonna move with our body up and down. And now stay down here and breathe, lift your arms. And we're gonna start the movement to the left and right. Left and right. When we come to the center, we breathe in. When we go to the side, we breathe out. And really try to stay here, down here, so that you're not staying up. In and out, in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. Breathe in, hands come up. And now let's go into the forward fold. Stay here for a moment. Just relax here and make sure that your knees are not completely straight, but they are soft. Very good. Now going into Malasana squat here. Go as deep into the stretch as possible. Stay here. And push with your elbows. Push really the knees wide apart. Breathe deeply here. And now start to move with your knees inwards. One, two, three. Very good. Now come back to the center. Relax here. Very good. Now we're gonna do the forward folds once more. And we're moving in and out, up and down. We are also working with our root chakra that is located on the tail of the spine, and that is keeping us grounded and connected to Mother Earth, helping us feel secure and safe in our bodies. Very good. Now stay here for a moment more, and we're gonna go into the side stretch here. Give it your best efforts. This is also very, very good for burning belly fat as well. Ten more times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more times, 10, very good. Now wait, come back up slowly, and now come and sit down. And sit down in the easy pose. Breathe here for a moment. And now we're gonna go with the left hand. And we're gonna reach as far as we can. And we're gonna lift the other arm up. And we're slightly gazing to the sky with rotating our torso. And just deep breaths here. And stay here. Come back to the center and to the other side. And come to the center. And now we're gonna forward ourselves with our bodies as far as we can reach. And deep breaths here, and try to, with each breath, try to go a little further. Very good. Now come to the center. And we're gonna open our legs now. And go as wide as it's comfortable for you. You don't have to stretch it too far so that you're not in pain. And here we're just gonna go with making round movements. And we breathe in, we come to the front, and we breathe out, we go to the back. And deep breaths here, and again, go as far into the stretch as it's comfortable for you. Don't hurt yourself too much here. And to the other side. Very good. And now place your legs towards you, in front of you. And now just go as far into the stretch as possible. deep breaths here. Very good. Now lastly, make yourself back up here. Let's widen our legs. Let's lift the arms. Breathe in and out. Let's rotate the shoulders here. And now come to one side. Put your knee down and start moving to the front and back. And now push this knee outwards, so away from the body. Very good. Now come back to the center. And let's move to the other side. Put one knee down and start to move to the front and back. Breathe in and out. In and out. And now take your hand and push this knee away from the body. Very good. And from here, come to all fours here. Breathing. And move to downward dog. Now walk to your hands. Slightly open the legs once more. And we're going to finish up with 10 of these Malasana squats and forward folds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in and out. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this and practice this every day. If you're feeling any discomfort within the pelvic area, then this is very, very good for your overall rooting and grounding exercise, but for your hips and your pelvic area, it's doing absolute wonders. So have a beautiful day and thank you.